What's up YouTube, it's Chantel National and I am here with my first YouTube video. So as you guys can tell by the title, this is gonna be like a little intro slash vlog. I'm just excited because I really hope I get the mocha ones. I'm gonna really be camping out for them. I want those so bad. Like, I checked on StockX for them and baby, they were like 700. I mean, I could get them, but I'm just not gonna drop 700 for them, you know? Nah. I need to get a MacBook for this. As you guys may know, I had an old channel called the Christy channel with my boyfriend, but he goes to college, so he never has time to do YouTube. So I just decided to take over. We both agreed on it and took over the channel. My boyfriend and I have been wanting to do like a giveaway, but you know, that failed. We never reached 500 subscribers. So if my channel end up reaching 500 subscribers, just know I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, even though I was supposed to be with the other channel, but I'm still gonna want to do, like, I've been dying to do a giveaway. So yeah, I know this is probably not gonna be like the most viewed one because this is like an intro, but I'm gonna still be bringing y'all with me to go camp out and get them sneakers. So yeah, so we are on our way to the Florida Mall. It is currently 5:04. How you feeling? Yeah, I'm tired of no, I'm playing. So I'm currently sitting right outside of the store. Well, not of the store, but of the mall, because they don't open the doors yet. But yeah, I'm just chilling, sitting on my little chair. Sorry, I look ghetto. My camera doesn't have like a flash on it, so I have to use my phone. So yeah, that's it about now. It's like 5 in the morning. I know I'm looking crazy. Leave me alone, mind your business.
That's live, you catching it.
Yeah, y'all. Can't do that bit. Sprinting. I'm playing. Got that. It's 8:28 right now, and a bit is thirsty, so I'm just going to Starbucks to grab myself something to drink, mama girl, cause you know your girl, when she thirsty, she thirsty. So yeah. If you're watching this and you're from another country, you better come to the Florida Mall. Let's get it. I'm looking crazy, y'all. We got the pair. Yes, sir. It feels good. Been here since 5:30, you know. So yeah, we're about to go shopping. Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much. It's fun.
Oh, babe, just grab it. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all up in a little bit. What's up, guys? We just finished eating Checkers. Oh my god, we were starving. Oh my god, it's hot. I'm dying. I already spoke about the giveaway, so y'all know what's up. Make sure y'all do what y'all gotta do. Help your girl out. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, make sure you guys like and subscribe and comment down below. And yeah.